apụ jee nzukọ ndị Igbo, conferences, meetings, retreats, ebe ndị Igbo na-ezukọ ọnụ. Daalụ, aha m bụ Ijeoma Kubwe, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Okay? Taa ihe anyị ga-akpa maka ya bụ ihe nke isii. Ihe nke isii, okay? Ihe nke isii na ihe anyị na-ekwu maka ya, ihe ga-enyere gị aka ịmụta Igbo. Things that will help you to speak Igbo. We are discussing 7 things. We've already discussed 5. Today we'll nke isii, number 6, okay? Ihe nke isii ga-eme bụ you need to get out of your house, of your comfort zone, and attend Igbo meetings, okay? apụ jee nzukọ ndị Igbo, conferences, meetings, retreats, ebe ndị Igbo na-ezukọ ọnụ, okay? Ị ga ebe anwa, ị ga-ahụ ndị na-asụ Igbo, okay? You see people speaking Igbo, and you go to meetings like maybe Anambra State meetings, Imo State meetings, or just ndị Igbo meeting together. Maybe in your community there's an Igbo meeting that's held once a month or once a quarter, or even once a year. There are people who have these giant Igbo conferences. Anyone you can attend, just try and attend them regularly, okay, as much as you can, because there you will see people that speak Igbo that you can practice with, okay, and you will even see resources that you didn't know were available, okay. So you can happen na-eje nzukọ ndị Igbo, okay. All right, you have like Igbo immersion retreats and things like that, okay. Obi dị m ụtọ n'ụbọchị taa, okay, na mmadụ niile tinyere aka na button subscribe, mmadụ puku 1000 subscribers, okay. I am so grateful to God for you guys, okay. Thank you for being here. As a way of saying thank you, I have designed this survey. This survey will help me to know what you need to know, okay? What is your pain points? What are your challenges, okay? Okay, and you have a chance to win something if you complete this survey. And it's not random, okay? It just depends on merit. It depends on how much you fill in the survey. Isegi daalụ, enwere survey mepere nwere ajụjụ ndị ga-aza, okay? Ajụjụ ndị ahụ ka ị na-aza ya nke ọma ka ị na-enweta ihe onyinye m chọrọ inye. Okay, so the more you answer that survey, the more detailed information you give me, the more chance you have of winning the giveaway. So just click on the link, answer the survey. Ka ọ dị, na-asụkwa Igbo.